So guys, welcome back again. So yesterday I actually made a video and I tried to explain some stuff like that, and I get to notice that there is a specific place that just display blank, but it was due to the incognito browser that I tried to use and try to explain more better. So I never knew that the incognito never capture the camera never capture the incognito. So I just wanna recover the place now. So for those of you who are interested in the ebook, let me just take you there. So just like I said once you go to Google, if you are interested in the ebook, you can actually check the description of the video and you are going to see the shop ID. But if you want to go through this, you just check here like Beedatech, just like this. And once you click on it, it's going to show you everything here belongs to me. So this is my page, and as you can see now, it's gonna show you the dashboard, our dashboard here, and you can actually reach out to me using everything here: the Facebook, the X, the Telegram, the LinkedIn, and also Instagram, and also this as well. And this is our YouTube channel. So everything that is here belongs to us. In case if you want to reach out to me, you can actually make use of this. Now all you need to do is to click on these three icons here, this menu. Once you click on it, it's going to show you all this, and it's going to show you the tech updates, the blockchain, the shop, and blah blah like that. So now all you need to do is to click on the shop, and once you click on the shop, it's going to take you the ebook. Here is the ebook. Here is the ebook. So later on, if you want to become an affiliate for the ebook, which you can also set as well, but for now, let's say we just want to purchase the ebook. And now I only upload one ebook, which we are working on the other ebooks that will be uploaded later. But if you are seeing this video now, the price, there is actually a coupon code I gave, which I actually slash the price very low, because I'm going to upload this book on Amazon. I'm going to upload it on the TikTok shop, and this price is too small for all those stuff. So if you are seeing it now, you need to take action. If you really need it, you need to take action before it gets to all those stuff. I just have to leave it for the community, to those who are interested, to just buy before I upload it there. And once I upload it there, once I run an advert, and it's gonna blow up. So but for now, I don't want to. I just want to come first, so that our community will get it first. So now all you need to do, as you can see, it's currently 7.5 that I just put just now. Even with this, there is still a coupon code that you are going to use, and it's going to slash the price for you. All you need to do is to click on add to cart, and if you click on add to cart here, it's going to take you to the cart. So let us wait for it to load, and voila, it has loaded here. Now this is a cryptocurrency explained in a pidgin. So I break down everything in crypto, how to understand the crypto in pidgin language. So there are a lot of things that even as a pro, if you are a pro, you can learn it. So this ebook is just less than $2 for now, and it's going to, once I upload it on Amazon KDP, I upload it on TikTok shop, the price is going to go up. So now this is 7.5. All you need to do is to click on this. You see this add coupon code, just check it with Beedatech and 24. Once you click on this Beedatech 24 and apply the coupon code, it's going to slash it. Look at it, it's going to slash it, the price here, and you're going to see the price. As at yesterday, it was less than this, but today it has high again. It's just automatic. So now all you need to do is to proceed to checkout, which is proceed to checkout. So once you proceed to checkout, it will ask you to fill your name, your details. Okay, let me just quickly fill this and I'll get back to you. So I have actually filled it, and as you can see, my name is Beedatech, the last name Global Link, Beedatech Global Link. So your name doesn't mean, since it's actually not a physical, it's just an ebook to download. So this is it now. Look at it, everything here is just it, as I'm done with the filling. Now currently we have two options of payment. We have the pay with debit or credit card, which is just, look at this, is just less than $2 for now. So but if you want to pay with credit card, you just click on pay with credit card and it's gonna pay. If you want to pay with this crypto, this is a crypto which is USDT. You can just click on it, pay with crypto, and you can see this is pay with BSC BEP20. And one of the challenge I think that you may encounter is, if you want to pay with this BEP20, since the price of the ebook is very low for now, and some exchange won't allow you to send more than 10 to $5. So I am going to put, if you want to pay with Mexi or Get.io or Binance, I'm going to put my UID there. So from there you can pay even one to something every. If you are using UID, you will be able to pay from $1 and above. So now all I need to do is to click on USDT BEP20, and look at it here, USDT BEP20, and now I've clicked on USDT BEP20 and it's going to refresh here. Look at it, look at the price. The price is very low, which is just $1.73. Very, very low. So compared to the information kept here, so all you need to do is to click on next, and once you click on next, it's going to ask you to copy this wallet address. You remember, this wallet address is not permanent. It's not permanent, so you just need to copy the wallet address that is given to you, and you are going to pay with it. And after you've made a payment, you just click on confirm and try as much as you update your email, so that once the payment reach you, you are going to get the notify. And once you made the payment, you are going to get, it's going to direct you to where to download your ebook, and that is all. So the second one, which is if you want to pay with your Naira, or if you want to pay with your credit card, which you can make use of the second option, pay with debit or credit card. You see, once you click on it, you click on place order, it's going to take you there. So look at it, it's going to show you your order ID, your date, blah blah, like that, the payment, and pay now. So all you need to do is to just click on pay now, and it's going to pay. So it's going to take you here. Is either you pay with card, or you pay with transfer, you pay with bank, pay with USD, or you pay with OPay. But the best one is either you pay with this or you pay with OPay. These are the two options I recommend to, if you want to use. So for now, as we are not making payments now, the other way again, we actually talk about the form I asked us to fill, which I'm going to show you us now. So I actually asked us to fill this form. This form is just for the community, for us to get to know each other, and also for us to render help for each other. So we are ending 2025, and I look at it, the statistic that majority of our team member or community member are still facing a lot of challenges which they cannot reveal, or I don't just know. But with this form, you can make sure everything you are facing, what you want us to do, you can just bring your opinion, and everything you are going to fill it in this form. And by the time we look into this form, we are going to extract, and we are going to start sorting out the problem step by step, gradually. So now all you need to do, your name, everything is just simple here. So if you have X, you have TikTok, you have other stuff like that, just include it. because we are still going to use this form to promote each one of you. We are going to use it to at least grow your account, which I am in totally support of that. We are going to use it to promote and other stuff like that we are going to do outside crypto and forex. So just share whatever information here, share it, and you are good to go. Everything is very safe here. So if you still have any challenge or you have any opinion that is all that you want to add to us, then it is very, very welcome. And beside that, you can actually we are always on the community now. Every other question you have, if you want to ask on the community, then it is very, very welcome. So that is all for now.